Adverb of time with sentence examples. Okay, let's begin. Daily, daily. Tell me something about your daily routine. Tell me something about your daily routine. Early, early. Why did you come so early? I was planning to finish work early today. Why did you come so early? I was planning to finish work early today. Always, always. She always busy about something. She always busy about something. Today, today. Do you have any work today? Do you have any work today? Tomorrow, tomorrow. She will come tomorrow night. She will come tomorrow night. Yesterday, yesterday. Where were you yesterday? I haven't seen you. Where were you yesterday? I haven't seen you. When? When? When will you go there? I don't know when I will go there. When will you go there? I don't know when I will go there. Now. Now. What time is it now? What time is it now? Sometimes. Sometimes. She comes here sometimes for visit. She comes here sometimes for visit. Already. Already. We have already taken the decision. We have already taken the decision. Often. Often. Does she come here often? Does she come here often? Never. Never. I have never gone to China. I have never gone to China. Soon. Soon. I will come back as soon as possible. I will come back as soon as possible. Ago. Ago. His grandfather died long ago. His grandfather died long ago. Before. Before. I never before saw such a beautiful place. I never before saw such a beautiful place. After. After. I will come after finish the work. I will come after finish the work. Since. Since. It has been raining since morning. It has been raining since morning. Later. Later. I will call you later. I will call you later. Yet. Yet. He didn't yet inform me. He didn't yet inform me. Presently. Presently. He will leave home presently. He will leave home presently. While. While. It was raining while I was watching a movie. It was raining while I was watching a movie. Then. Then. I went to the store, then I called you. I went to the store, then I called you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more video.